If we look at the trends right now, I think it's all about smart innovations. In the years to come, you'll see that TVs become even more smart and more social and more personal. The key challenge right now is that prices are going down at a faster rate than we can actually get our costs down. So the only way we can survive is to find more cost-effective solutions. And that's where IBM helps us tremendously for our cloud-based ecosystem.
The trend towards connectivity of the devices has essentially changed the business model for a lot of the electronics manufacturers. Connected devices, by their nature, open up revenue streams to manufacturers that previously were unavailable and may not have even existed for anyone.
That allows the manufacturer a continuous connection to the consumer, maybe to give additional offers, but also, I think, to provide services that consumers expect.
Now, one of the huge advantages that we have by running everything in the cloud is that we can tune this user experience perfectly to the consumer. We don't have to change the firmware, we don't have to change the hardware of our TV sets.
One of the things that is very good for developers is to have really a single development and then multiple deployments and making it available on a larger number of sets. The second thing is when you take a look at actually building out a smart cloud, it's very expensive. So there's a lot of smaller and medium-sized entertainment device companies that really aren't going to have the wherewithal to fully build out something that a consumer can use anywhere in the world.
The common infrastructure underneath will actually allow us to reuse it because we can scale it, we can use the common part for a whole number of service environments, and that reduces the development cost, that reduces the operational cost, and the consumer will never see the service delivery platform or smart cloud service delivery, because the whole idea is to make it easy, to make it totally transparent for the consumer. It allows the manufacturers and the service providers to offer a lot more services a lot more quickly.
We're seeing companies that are getting 10, 15, 20% of their revenues now from virtual services, essentially things delivered through that connected device. And I think it's really just the beginning. The television in general is going through a monumental amount of change.
So the choice for IBM was primarily based on the expertise, and because we know that this was a kind of strategic move from our end. We know how to make good TVs and that look great, but we need to have IBM's expertise to run it in a way that it fits our consumers' preferences.
The solution that we have for TP Vision is a business solution. It is not an IT solution. So TP Vision does not have to understand how many processors we have, how much storage we have, what kind of software we use in the cloud. IBM takes over all of the information technology risk, and then our customer, the electronics manufacturer, can actually focus on the business risk.
IBM, fortunately has the advantage of having built out our smart cloud, and so now it allows us to really take and let both the developers and the consumers leverage that platform at a very, very low cost.
Smart TV completely changes the TV landscape. The fact that we now directly interact with the consumer for the lifetime of a product, that also means that for us there are new business opportunities that we can start to explore. And that's clearly something we are heavily investing in.